afternoon. Hindi naman po puro speech today, right? So, I'm the one presenting between you and a lot of giveaways later on, and also the snacks, right? Anyway, so again, thank you. Again, this will be the last speech for today. Thank you once again to our media partners and friends. Some of you we've seen also the last 2 weeks. And like what Bianca and also Raymond have said, for the past decade, GDay has been our biggest way of celebrating our customers. And I'm so proud to be part of the brand, to really invest in them year after year. So ito pong event na to is really for our customers. And as you've heard, this is our 10th year celebrating this, and we're bringing even more joy, bringing even more surprises and reasons to celebrate, which is actually turbocharged by our hyper-personalization as well. So, as you've seen earlier in the presentation, in the coming days, until early October, you'll be seeing GDay come to life, right? In so many exciting ways. So, let me just recap a bit. So, number one would be through the life-changing prizes of G-Raffle Rush, through our GDay pop-ups happening all over the country, and the delicacy later on, you'll be able to have a taste of it. Through our community celebration that's happening as well. And syempre, on a daily basis, just open your G1 app and then you'll get there something new just for you every single time. And of course, much awaited Beanie Fan Meet, which will be a joyful moment for all the fans and families alike. Syempre, at the heart of it all, everything we've shared today is really about, again, as I've said, and I cannot stress it enough, it's really for our customers. How much we value them throughout the years. Not just on GDay, but every single day. After all, alam niyo naman, Globe knows you and celebrates you every single day. And this also aligns with our purpose, which we always remind ourselves every single day, Red, is to uplift Filipino lives every day. So now, all throughout our program, we've been mentioning about how we want to celebrate everyone by giving away a lot of prizes. So to start off, syempre, before tayo start